Myself, Dr. Khan Romana from Zoology Department, JT Art Science and Commerce College for Women Maligaon. Today, I will teach you about agricultural pest and their control. किस तरीके से एग्रीकल्चरल पेस्ट जो होते हैं, इंसेक्ट जो होते हैं, उनको किस तरीके से कंट्रोल किया जाता है. Among them, today we study about what is the natural control. Natural control क्या होता है? Under natural condition, most insect populations are regulated by a complex of predators, parasites, and pathogen, causing diseases, all sharing the same habitat. एक ही इकोलॉजिकल एरिया में बहुत सारे जानदार एक साथ होते हैं. उनमें जो है वो कुछ जो होते हैं प्रीडेटर होते हैं, कुछ शिकार होते हैं, कुछ जानदार जो है वो शिकारी बन जाते हैं, कुछ शिकार हो जाते हैं. सम ऑफ देम लिव एज अ पैरासाइटिक लाइफ ऑन द बॉडी ऑफ अनदर organisms. Some pathogens are also present which are responsible for causing diseases to another animals or organisms in the same habitat or same ecological area. This population regulation is sometimes referred to as the balance of the nature or natural control. पॉपुलेशन को कंट्रोल करने के लिए नेचुरल कंट्रोल होना ज़रूरी होता है. अदरवाइज व्हाट हैपन, द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ वन कम्युनिटी और वन स्पेसिस में भी राइजेस इनॉर्मसली. उनके नंबर जो कुछ पॉपुलेशन कुछ जानदारों की तादाद में बेतहाशा इजाफा हो जाएगा जो दूसरे जानदारों के लिए नुकसानदेह होता है. तो नेचुरल कंट्रोल होना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. नाउ what is the predator? The animal that prey and feed on insects are very varied. The main groups of entomophagous predators are, predators means animals which prey on insect or which feed on the insect. ऐसे जानदार जो insects को अपनी ग़िज़ा बनाते हैं, they are called as a predators of the insect. And they are also called as a entomophagous. Entomo means insect, insects को खाने वाले जानदार. Among the entomophagous predators, first large group of animals are mammals. Mammals are several insectivorous. There are so many insectivorous mammals are present on the nature that are bat, squirrel, etc. They search and feed on the insects. And such mammals which are insectivorous or entomophagous, most of them are nocturnal. It means that they are active at night time, and at the daytime they live or hide in their places or habitat. अपनी जगहों पर छुपे हुए होते हैं. But at the night time they comes out from their places in search of the insect and they prey on the insect. In some part of the world, insects are also eaten by men like China. चाइना वगैरह में जो है वो इंसेक्ट्स को रोस्टेड करके जो वो दे आर ऑल्सो ईटन बाय मैन ऑल्सो. अनदर ग्रुप ऑफ द predators of the insects are birds. As you know that some birds are also insectivorous and many birds are the natural predators of the insects. Wild birds like tits and sparrows can be seen in searching fruit trees, रोजेस फॉर एफिड्स एंड कैटरपिलर. इंसेक्ट्स के जो डेवलपिंग स्टेजेस जो होती है, कैटरपिलर, लार्वा या एफिड्स वगैरह जो दरख्तों पर प्लांट्स पर पाए जाते हैं, उनको जो है वो स्पैरोज वगैरह जो है तलाश करके अपनी ग़िज़ा बनाती है. सम बर्ड्स आर डोमेस्टिकेटेड. अमंग द डोमेस्टिकेटेड बर्ड्स, चिकन एंड डक्स आर insectivorous in nature. They always search the insects and feed on them. Among the predators of the insects, another large group is of reptiles. Small snakes, lizard and chameleon are the predators of the insect. These reptiles feed on grasshopper, butterflies, beetles, locusts, ants and moths, etc. Whatever जो भी इंसेक्ट्स इन्हें मिलता है, रेप्टाइल्स जो उनको अपनी ग़िज़ा बनाते हैं. The tremendous increase in the rat population is due to destruction of their main predators, which are snakes. As you know that snakes feed on the rats. लेकिन स्नैक्स को क्या किया जाता है, जहाँ पर भी वो नज़र आते हैं, इमीडिएट दे आर किल्ड बाय मैन. और उसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है, बिकॉज ऑफ reduction in the population of the snakes, the population of the rats are enormously increases. These rats are very serious pest for our crop, stored grain, food material, as well as they also give damage to our properties also. Now, the serious pest can be controlled by increasing protection of snake population. अगर स्नेक की पॉपुलेशन को प्रिजर्व किया जाता है, प्रोटेक्ट किया जाता है, तो there is chances of reduction in the number of rats which are very harmful to man and its property also. Now, another group of the predators of the insects are amphibia. As you know that frog, toad, buffo, etc. all are insectivorous in nature. They always feed on insects, their larval stages, caterpillars, nymph, etc. उनको जो है वो अपनी ग़िज़ा बनाती हैं. The giant toad, Buffo marinus, was introduced into Hawaii island in 1932 and 33 to control various beetles attacking the sugar cane. 1932 और 33 में क्या हुआ था, हवाई आइलैंड में जो है वो शुगर कैन की जो फसल थी, गन्ने की जो फसल थी, दे आर अटैक्ड बाय द बीटल्स, और उन बीटल्स को ख़त्म करने के लिए, उनको अटैक करने के लिए लार्ज नंबर ऑफ द मेनी giant toad, their biological name is Buffo marinus, they are introduced and all are insectivorous, और उन्होंने जो वो they feed on the beetles, and in this way population of the beetles can be controlled in Hawaii Island. As you know that common frog Rana tigrina is also important predators which feed on insect larvae and varieties of the insects. हमारे इतराफ़ में, हमारे घरों के आसपास में जो फ्रॉग पाए जाते हैं, their biological name is Rana tigrina, and Rana tigrina is also insectivorous. They feed on the insects. In this way, in some extent, amphibians are also control the population of the insects. And the large group of the predators of the insects are Pisces. Some fishes are carnivorous. They feed on insect larvae. Some specific fishes like Gambusia affinis, these are called as a larvivorous fish. It means that they feed on the larvae of the mosquitoes. तो हमारे घर के आसपास जो पानी जमा होता है, जहाँ पर मॉस्किटोज पाए जाते हैं, जहाँ पर उनमें ब्रीडिंग होती है, there are so many large number of larval stages are present and they developed into the adult stages. तो ऐसी जगहों पर जो है वो such Gambusia fishes are introduced. They feed on the larvae of the mosquito, and in some extent population of the mosquitoes can be controlled by the Pisces. So this is about the natural control of the agricultural pest or insects. Thank you very much.